What if I told you that a simple bowl of oats could transform your health in ways you never imagined? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the kicker. It's backed by science. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end, you might just want to make oatmeal your new best friend. Oh, and trust me, this isn't the bland, boring oatmeal you grew up with. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day. But let's be honest, many of us either skip it or grab something, well, let's just say, not exactly healthy. What if I told you that eating oatmeal every day could not only keep you full but also improve your skin, help you lose weight, and even protect your heart? Let's break it down. 1. Your skin will look younger and healthier. Ever looked in the mirror and thought, where did all these wrinkles come from? Well, before you go spending a fortune on fancy creams, let me introduce you to your new skincare secret, oatmeal. Oats are packed with vitamins and minerals like zinc, iron, and magnesium, which help clear up skin, reduce inflammation, and even speed up healing. And get this, oatmeal has been used for centuries to treat eczema, rashes, and other skin irritations. So if your skin feels like it's been through a desert, a daily bowl of oats might be just what you need. 2. Your muscles will thank you. Think protein is just for bodybuilders? Think again. Your muscles need it to stay strong, and guess what? Oats pack a solid protein punch. Just half a cup gives you 15% of your daily protein needs. And the best part? They also contain antioxidants and glutamate, which help your muscles recover faster. So whether you're lifting weights or just lifting the grocery bags, oatmeal has your back. 3. You'll get a boost of antioxidants. Alright, quick question. Do you like looking and feeling younger? Thought so. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants, which help fight aging and inflammation. But here's something most people don't know. Oats contain beta-glucan, a special fiber that lowers blood sugar and improves circulation. It even boosts the growth of good gut bacteria. So not only will you feel great on the inside, but your body will thank you on the outside too. 4. You'll have more energy than ever. We all know that sluggish mid-morning crash, right? The kind that makes you reach for another cup of coffee? Well, oatmeal provides slow-burning energy that keeps you fueled throughout the day. And here's a little tip. Eating your oats slightly dry actually keeps you fuller for longer. So say goodbye to those mid-morning hunger pangs and hello to steady energy. 5. You'll lose weight without even trying. Losing weight in your 50s and 60s isn't exactly easy, but oatmeal makes it a whole lot simpler. Thanks to its slow digesting carbs and fiber, it keeps you full longer and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Remember that beta-glucan we talked about earlier? It also triggers a fullness hormone in your gut, making you eat less without even realizing it. Now, that's what I call a weight loss hack. 6. Your cholesterol will drop. Heart disease is no joke, and one of the biggest culprits? High cholesterol. But oatmeal is here to save the day. The soluble fiber in oats helps lower bad cholesterol by literally flushing it out of your body. Think of it like a little sponge soaking up all the junk in your arteries. And if you love your heart, which I'm guessing you do, oatmeal is one of the best foods you can eat. 7. Your heart will thank you. Speaking of hearts, did you know that just one serving of oats a day can reduce your risk of heart disease? Oats contain healthy fats that support heart health and help keep your arteries clear. And here's a fun fact. Countries where people eat more oats have lower rates of heart disease. Coincidence? I don't think so. 8. Your digestion will improve. Let's talk digestion. As we get older, things don't move as smoothly as they used to, right? Good news. Oats are packed with fiber, which helps keep things running like a well-oiled machine. In fact, one study showed that older adults who ate oats daily dramatically improved their digestion. Some even stopped needing laxatives. Now, that's a reason to celebrate. Common misconception. Oatmeal causes weight gain. Alright, let's clear up a big myth. Some people think oatmeal makes you gain weight. I mean, it's carbs, right? And carbs are bad, or so they say. But here's the truth. It's not the oats. It's what you put on them. If your oatmeal is drowning in sugar, syrup, or processed toppings, then yeah, it's not exactly a weight loss food. But when prepared the right way with natural ingredients like berries, nuts, and cinnamon, oats actually help burn fat and keep your metabolism in check. So don't blame the oats. Blame that giant scoop of brown sugar. So are you ready to make oats part of your daily routine? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe,